Hello and welcome to What's Cookin' Mustangs. In a season of warm weather and sunshine, what sounds better than a sweet and refreshing lemon treat? We're going to show you how we make a delicious lemon berry tart with a crispy shortbread crust and a sweet blueberry sauce. This recipe is guaranteed to satisfy your afternoon sweet tooth. As we near the end of the quarter when classes are demanding and stresses are high, it's so important to incorporate balance into your day-to-day. To finish the school year strong, try scattering activities into your week that bring you joy. Maybe you look forward to going for a hike, grabbing a coffee with a friend, or snacking on your favorite lemon treat. Whatever it may be, implementing daily tasks that you enjoy will help reduce stress and increase overall satisfaction. Sometimes, the best thing you can do for your health is to take a break, reset, and enjoy a lemon berry tart.
Let's get started. We're gonna make a lemon berry tart. And the first step we're gonna do, we're gonna get our crust ready. Start with our half a cup of butter. We're gonna make sure we melt all our butter down. We're gonna add the vanilla, teaspoon of salt. You wanna start whisking it the moment you put your flour in there. Make sure we get it nice and incorporated. Boom, that simple. That dough, you see it all combined, that's what you're looking for. And then we're gonna let it sit for about an hour. So while the dough is setting, we're gonna start our custard filling. So I'm gonna take our condensed milk, add it to the bowl, and then while that is warming up, we're gonna add our lemon juice to this. About 4 lemons you're gonna need to add to your filling. You need about a total of 4 tablespoons of juice. So I'm just gonna add that right into our mix right here. And make sure when you're squeezing it, you do it this way. The inner is facing up, so when you squeeze it, the seeds don't go in. Get that stirred in. 1/4 cup of sugar, add our egg yolk. Just 1 whole egg yolk. And the rest of your vanilla. I'm pulling it off the heat so you don't scorch the bottom of the condensed milk. If you do, you'll get brown pieces in your filling, and which you do not want that. So while that is cooling in your fridge, you wanna make your berry sauce that goes on top. You use any berries you want, strawberries, lullaberries, whatever. So today I got raspberries and blueberries. So I'm gonna add that to my pan. 3 tablespoons of sugar. You wanna start mashing it to break it up to get the natural juices out. And adding the sugar helps, believe it or not, bring the natural sugars out of the fruit. I'm gonna throw some lemon juice into a bowl, about 3 tablespoons. And then also I'm gonna add some cornstarch to my lemon juice, and this will just help thicken it up so we don't have a runny sauce on top of our tart. Dissolve it. And I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt. Add your mixture of lemon juice and cornstarch to your berries. And you're gonna let this cook for about 2 minutes till it thickens up. You're gonna let this cool 2 hours. And you're gonna roll your dough out to about 1/4 inch thick. Then you're gonna take your tart pans and you're gonna press it in. Just make sure it's nice and even all the way to the edges, all the way to the top. Take a fork and press holes in the bottom of this. It helps release the steam when we're par baking it. If you don't do that, it'll bubble up and then it'll ruin your crust. You're gonna throw this in the oven at 350 degrees. That's the color you're looking for when you bring it out of the oven. It's a nice light brown. Let that sit for about 20 minutes before you put the cold filling in. You're gonna fill it about almost to the top. You wanna be able to see some crust and take it, tap it on the table. Now we're ready to put it back in the oven for about another 12 minutes until you see nice golden brown on top, and then let that sit for about an hour in the refrigerator. I like to use the raspberries, give it a nice little garnish, and then we hit it with a little bit of lemon zest, and then we made that beautiful berry sauce and just drizzle around. You can put as much or little as you want. Here you go. You have a lemon berry tart for your summer afternoons.
Thanks for joining us while we show you how to make this flavorful lemon berry tart. On behalf of Campus Dining, we hope you finish the year out strong. See you next time, Mustangs!